PIJA는 맛있어. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is PIJA는, because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we are going to study about the word PIJA. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time on here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 180. PIJA. PIJA. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is P, second syllable is Ja. Pronounce it with me. PIJA. PIJA. The Korean word PIJA is actually the Korean version of the common food, which is pizza. This is actually considered a loan word since Korean has its own version of spelling. Now, how do we write PIJA in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable P in Hangul, we need to draw first a P up character followed by an E character. For the second syllable Ja, we need to draw first a G character followed by an A character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word PIJA. Now let's try to look into this example sentence. It says, pizza is delicious. Again, it's pizza is delicious. The Korean translation of this sentence is PIJA는 맛있어. Again, it's PIJA는 맛있어. The first part of the sentence is PIJA는. The PIJA part is actually our word for today, which we already know as pizza. And we just added the nun to indicate that this is the topic of the sentence. The second part of the sentence is actually 맛있어. And this is a Korean word which means delicious. So if these two are combined, it would result in a sentence that means pizza is delicious. So looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence PIJA는 맛있어 is simply pizza is delicious. And with that, you've just learned PIJA. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 170 to 179. But don't forget our word for today, word number 180, PIJA, which is actually the same as pizza in English. Word number 179 is 싫어, and this is used to say, I hate it. Word number 178 is hana, and this is the number 1 of the native Korean numbers. Word number 177 is 슬프다, and this is a verb which means to be sad. Word number 176 is 울지마, and this is an informal way of saying don't cry. Word number 175 is po or mo, and this is used to say what. Word number 174 is 내가 or nega, and this is a pronoun which means I or me. Word number 173 is 후배, and this is the Korean term for a junior or someone younger in experience than you. Word number 172 is 선배, and this is the Korean term for a senior or someone older than you in terms of experience. Word number 171 is 안 돼, and this is an informal way of saying no or no way. And the last for our review is word number 170, 홀, and this is used to say deal. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.